friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing December's Eyescream Beuty Box. Let's see what's inside. So here we are. Let me open it up. You get the little card with all the information. And in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beuty Box is a monthly subscription box that includes 5 makeup items, fully sized. They're not minis. And it guarantees an eyeshadow palette in each box. So it's great. It's for 25 bucks. I mean, it's great. I've had it for a couple of years now and I'm always happy with the box. So the first item that I see here is this gorgeous packaging. This is the under eye cream, which is great to receive something that is skincare because they rarely do that, but they did that this month. This eye cream is by Creme de la Cube and is a gorgeous packaging. It retails for $35. So it says to use morning and night for best results. Look how pretty this is. Let me open this. I love skincare, especially like creams for your face and all that. I love that. I don't have that many for under eyes, so I'm glad that I have this one because I want to try it out and see if I like it, you know. This is stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is very beautiful. So it's like that. I can't wait to try this. The next product in here says premium makeup brush. Oh, okay, it's a makeup brush. This is by Manage Beauty. It retails for $15. It says it's high quality and multifunctional. Let's see, I love having brushes, makeup brushes, as you can see over here. Look at this. And this is just one of them. I have another container like this filled. So I love makeup brushes. The softer the better, because I cannot stand. Oh, I thought it was just one. It comes with multiple ones inside. Look at this. Oh, this is great. Oh, and they're small for the most part. It's perfect for like if you have hooded eyes like I do, like this one. Look how gorgeous that is. So this says here is small blending brush. Ooh, I can't wait to try these today. I needed new ones for sure. Oh, that feels soft. That is very soft. Let's see. I have another one over here. This one is short shader brush. And of course, you don't necessarily have to use it for what it says. You use whatever you feel comfortable and fits in your eye. This one over here is large shader brush. It's a bit larger. They're so soft. I love that. And this one's in an angle. This one is angle shading brush. See, it's slanted. These are the ones that I rarely use, but I've seen other people use it. And then we have this one, which again, a perfect size for me. This one is the tapered blending brush. I love these like this. I can't wait to try this with today's palette. They're so soft. Okay, next I see here, this is Prism lipstick. Okay, it's a lipstick. Look at the packaging, how beautiful. This is a matte lipstick by Beuty Beauty. It retails for $10. It says here a hydrating lip balm is recommended before applying. This comes in 5 shades and I got the shade Raw. So, oh my gosh, the packaging is stunning. I've never heard of this brand either. So I'm dying to try this one out. And I already have like a hydrating lip oil by, this one's by NYX. So they're gonna be nice and moisturized before I apply this. Look how what? Look how good. Look how stunning that is. Look at that. How beautiful. And the little stone on the top as well. Oh, there it is. Oh, that is very light. I don't typically go for light shades like that, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this one, this shade in particular. Maybe with a lip liner and I could darken it and just put it in the center, maybe that way. Because this next one is a blush palette, I believe. right? Multi-purpose gradient blush and highlight palette. And this was a choice. You either get this one, which is the Jelly Pong Pong, because oh no, that's the brand. So this was a choice between Trifle Cosmetics or Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, and this is the one that I chose. It retails for $32. So let me show you the colors inside. Beautiful packaging. These are the shades. I will be trying this as well. They all look similar, but we'll see if they vary in tones. And last but not least, we have the palette. And I'm super excited about this palette because this is a brand that I wanted to try for the longest. And they included one of the palettes. This is by Ensley Rain. And I really wanted to try their palettes. This is the Happy Go Lucky palette. Let me show you the colors. Look how cute that packaging with the little bunny. Super, super cute. Isn't that so cute? So this is the Happy Go Lucky palette. It retails for $26. This includes 4 mattes, 1 stunning duochrome, and 1 mesmerizing multi-chrome. Let's look at the colors. Slides open. Super cute. Oh no! It came broken. Oh, that one is all crushed. Oh man. Maybe I can squeeze it in there because it's one of those. Ooh, it's all over the place. Let me see if I can press it back in. Actually, when I saw this palette, I wanted to try that shade. Let me see if I can press it in because it's one of those that you could actually like kind of press it in. It's more like it's a weird texture. I don't know how to describe. So I'm pressing it in to see if it doesn't break apart more. It got into the mat as well. Let me see if I can clean that. So I pressed it in as best as I could. It looks better now. Hopefully when I try with the brush, it doesn't crumble up again. But I'm going to use this on my eyes today. So let's start. I'm going to use the brushes. Let me take off the little seal here of this. Love that. So I think I'm going to use this one right here. Put that all over. The eyelid right here above my crease. This is a gorgeous like everyday shade. I could see, oh, this brush is soft. This brush, I don't even feel it on my eyes. That is great. That's how you know when it's great, when it's not scratchy and it's the right density. Because if it's too flimsy, it goes all over the place and it kind of wipes away the eyeshadow. But this one is the right density and super soft. So these are great. I gotta keep an eye out on this brand, Manage with double A. So I'm gonna do that to the other eye and I'll be right back. I'm also gonna apply that right here underneath the eye and connect it in the outer corner. I love this color. Okay, I'm gonna start applying in the outer corner. This one, the darkest one, is called Carrot Cake, and I'm gonna be using the small blending brush. Apply that right here. I think I'm gonna do a halo look, so I'm gonna apply this in the inner corner and in the outer corner. This black, very pigmented. Love it. Right off the bat, love that. I approve. I approve of this shade. This shade is gorgeous because it's a brown, but it's also like a very dark wine, I would say. It's a beautiful shade of brown. And it's blending so great. And I'm gonna apply this right in here, not that high, just right in here, leaving the middle space to apply the shimmers, which I have to decide which one I want to use, the broken one or the one that's not broken. Okay, so I'm loving this color and I'm surprised I have absolutely no fallout at all, which is great because I'm trying out this foundation. That video will be up as well, and I don't have any fallout. I'm gonna add glitter primer right here and I'll be back. I already added the glitter primer, and these are the two shades. Oh, I love that one. These are the two shimmers. And I think I want to use both, to be honest. I think I do. I'm going to start with this one, which is this one right here. I'm going to put that right up down here, like halfway. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And then the other one on top of that one. Take that one even higher. Up there. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Did you see that? This is freaking beautiful. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I think for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use Hippity Hoppity Boo. So cute. Put that in the lower lash line so I could try that one out as well. All across. And with an angled brush, I'm gonna take the dark shade of the palette, Carrot Cake, and connect this here on top, like an eyeliner type of thing. Of course, I'm gonna add eyeliner in the waterline, add my mascara, and I'll be back. The lashes are on. So moving on to the face, this is the palette Orion, the multi-purpose gradient blush and highlight palette. But this looks to me more like a highlighter, right? Maybe I can use this one as a blush. I'm going to use this one as a blush, which is this one over here. It's called Warm Radiance, and these are all like glowy, on the glowy side. So if you don't like blushes like that, then actually no, it's not that intense, the radiance. It's actually pretty subtle, so that's good. You can build it up. So there it is. It does have that blush. I'm not gonna put highlighter on because it's like a 2-in-1. It's like a highlighter blush in one. It gives you that little pink tint, but it also gives like a highlight effect. So I'm skipping on highlighter. I'm liking that though. I like that. And I love the eyeshadow. I love everything that I tried. The brushes are great, excellent quality. So is the palette. I tried this, I loved it. I have to try the eye cream and the lip product. I didn't put it on now because I don't really want to do a 2-lip combo on my lips right now, so I'm just gonna stay with this. And yeah, that is it. That's everything. So I'm pretty happy with this box. Let me know, what do you think? What did you get? Did you get different things or the same things? And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.